Hello, what's up, baby girl?
Yeah, cool. Are you okay?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine,
good
thank
afternoon.
you. Good afternoon.
Are you in a hurry?
Yeah, I'm going to
Oh,
work.
nah, come on.
Afternoon, so.
Give me 1 minute, please. Okay. Just give me 1 minute of your time.
Okay, I'm listening.
My dear, why not there?
Manya, dear. Like in what way?
You got my proposal and not even a call.
Proposal?
And I even add my number to the proposal too.
Please, what are you talking about? I have no idea of what you're talking about.
Come on, you know something? You have been stretching me for so long. So this time around,
Hey.
me say, okay, then let me surprise you with this. And I'm starting my number account because what's stretching me as on for number day and for man.
Ah, bro, but you're okay there.
Wait.
No, I don't understand what you're saying.
See, baby. Wow, we know about a station and a Khoweigu. They're my friends. Me dropping them, touch it down now. How many boys every day? It's not small. What you say?
Hey.
I give them money. Almost a 1% boat or something like that. What you say? My mom 800 cities. Someone from bro.
I've not even met this guy, so I've not met him. Who's on this area, but minimum Casacrida. I am surprised.
Come on,
in fact, I'm in a hurry to go to work. I don't know why you're fabricating this story.
Listen, please. It's not like I'm trying to lie or something over here. I didn't mean what you say. I give them 800 cities and I'm doing my account will say, okay, fine. So I will stretch me there, then take my number and after that you call me.
Hey, God of.
I've been expecting your calls. Seriously.
Brother, if you've given them money, please go and look for them and take your money. Because they've not come to me at all. I've not even seen them with my naked eyes. So please, if you have something else to say, say it. But don't tell me, say, you've given them money to come and give to me to go and plait my hair. Like, really? Excuse me?
Ginel! Hey! Ginel! Now listen, Ginel! The man she said, come on.
No, don't try me. You're even pissing me off right now.
Sorry, no, relax.
Are you trying to fabricate stories on
I'm
me?
not fabricating anything over here, my dear. Sorry if I'm pissing you.
You gave them money to come and give to me. Like, really? Me, a whole me. Excuse me, please. Go and look for them and take your money right away. Nobody has given me anything. In fact, I'm going to work and make sure you don't follow me.
You know, like, you know...
I said don't follow me or I'm going to disgrace you in this area.
Fine, I'm okay, sorry.
What are you feeling?
Never Khoweigu station. That be maintained the area. Now, I for search for this, but I swear, then go run. Me, I'm going to be there. Who Khoweigu? What put that Mouseketers where? Who do with me? And I'm going to say, me, I brought you another say. Okay, we go meet for the hoodie side. Hey, wouldn't know what how do see our hello? Mr. Oh, you got you're pressing you on him. Hey! What's up, swallow casa? Ah, Jehovah! Come on, let's do this.